Here's the next lesson. Keeping the same circles plus dots equals sharing method so the children can build confidence step by step. Seemonline Tutoring, Basic Division for Beginners, Lesson 2, Sharing Equally with Circles and Dots, Inshallah. Remember, division means sharing equally. When we divide, we ask how many objects do we have altogether? How many equal groups do we need? How many objects will be in each group? Take example 1, 12 over 3 equals 4. We have 12 dots, 12 dots. We want to divide them into 3 equal groups. Step 1, make 3 groups. Step 2, share the 12 dots equally. Step 3, count the dots in one group. Each group has equals 4 dots. Therefore, 12 over 3 equals 4. 12 objects shared equally among 3 groups gives 4 objects in each group. Check with multiplication. 3 times 4 equals 12. So, 12 over 3 equals 4, example 2. We have 15 over 5, we have 15 dots. We want to divide them into 5 equal groups. Step 1, make 5 groups. Step 2, share the dots equally. Step 3, count the dots in one group. Each group has equals 3 dots. Therefore, have 15 butter 5 equals 3. 15 objects shared equally among 5 groups gives 3 objects in each group. Check with multiplication. 5 times 3 equals 15. So 15 over 5 equals 3. Now for example 3. Now 18 over 6 equals 3. We have 18 dots in one groups. We want to divide them into 6 equal groups. Step 1, make 6 groups. Step 2, share the dots equally. Step 3, count the dots in one group. Each group has equals 3 dots. Therefore, star 18 over 6 equals 3. 18 objects shared equally among 6 groups gives 3 objects in each group. Check with multiplication. 6 times 3 equals 18. So 18 over 6 equals 3. Our 5 easy division steps. Look at the first number. This tells us the total number of objects. Look at the second number. This tells us how many groups to make. Draw the circles. Each circle represents one group. Share the dots equally. Put one dot into each circle until all the dots are used. Count one group. The number of dots in one group is the answer. Very important rule. For example, 20 over 5 equals 4. This means we have 20 objects. We make 5 equal groups. Each group gets 4 objects. And we can check 5 times 4 equals 20. Homework. 36 new questions. Part A. Easy. 1, 4, 2, 2. 2, 6 over 2 equals 3. 8 over 2 or 4. 10 over 2 equals score. 5. 12 over 2, 6. 14 over 2 equals 7. 16 over 2 equals 8. 18 over 2 equals 9. 20 over 2 equals 10. 6 over 3 equals 11. 9 over 3 equals 12. 12 over 3. Now, part B, keep going. 13. 15 over 3 equals 18. 18 over 3 equals 15. 21 over 3 equals 16. 16, 24 over 3. 17. 8 over 4 equals 18. 12 over 4 equals score. 19. 16 over 4 equals 20. 24 equals 1. 24 over 4. 22, 28 over 4 equals 4, 23, 32 over 4 equals 4, 36 over sign order. Part C challenge. 25, 10 over 5 equals 15 over 5 equals 27, 20 over 5 equals 28, 25 over 5 equals 20, 30 over 5 equals 30, 35 equals first pointing 32, 12 over 6 equals 18 over 6 equals score 33, 24 over 6 equals Wilhorn, 35, 36 over 6 equals 6, 42 over 6 equals Sulsuls. Hashtag little reminder for students. When you get stuck, draw circles and dots. For 12 divided 4 equals, draw 4 circles. Now share 12 dots equally. Count one group, 3 dots. Therefore, Nashtar 12 divided 4 equals 3. Division family. Multiplication. 4 times 3 equals 12. Division. 12 over 4 equals 3. Division 12 over 3 equals 4. They belong to the same fact family. Today's power sentence. Division is sharing equally. Total objects divided into equal groups equals objects in each group. Pictures first, numbers next, mental math later. Practice plus patience, repetition equals progress. Seemonline Tutoring, building strong mathematics skills, one step at a time. Inshallah.